Hello. Today we'll about your playlist characteristics and your taste, your family. Of mi best friend Adriana, I student of economics at university in Bogota. She is tall, sweet blonde, and honey colored eyes. She has a strong temperament. Her favorite sport is athletics. Mm, um, She like to dine, to energy with the family, to call a place, to like fast food, and sometimes we have an in common. At time we like to dine, fast food, fast food, travel, Taiwan and the foreign temperament. We had many experiments at sugar, at SNIT. We had up in at some place, but on time market, our life is time on online what time. We had the withdrawn and she cried out for help. Loot, not serious, have our glad emoji.